First, click on Custom Size. Take 1080 by 1350 pixels size. Go to Upload and add your product photo. Remove its background. Adjust its position. Go to Elements. Search Black Gradient. Go to the Graphics section. Add this type of gradient. Now, place it on the edge of the cropped product photo. Duplicate and place it on the other side. After this, select the background. Change its color to black. Next, search Blurred Dot. Go to the Graphics section. We will add this element to match with the product. Adjust its size and position. Click on More, then Layer, and send it to the back. Go to Elements and search Smoke. Add an element. Click on Edit Image. Go to Duotone. Click on Custom. Now, change the highlights color to match with the product. Adjust its size and position. Next, go to Upload and add the brand logo. Adjust its position. Go to Text. Add a heading. Type your tagline. Go to Font. Choose Open Sans Bold Font. Change font size to 30 pixels. Make it uppercase. Change its color. Place it at the bottom of the canvas. Click on Effect. Choose the neon effect. Adjust text color to a little dark. Go to Font and make the font semi-bold to look more aesthetic. Our branded watch ad poster is ready. Let's zoom in. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.